This tutorial will show you how to download the campus version of Respondus for exam creation and install it on your computer. If you're planning to install Respondus on your computer, it must be a Windows computer. Respondus for exam creation only works on Windows operating systems. If you have a Mac, you can access Respondus by going to vlab.uga.edu and running a virtual Windows desktop. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to sitesoft.uga.edu. Locate the Download section and scroll down to find the link for Respondus. Click the Respondus link. You will be prompted to enter your UGA MyID and password. Enter your credentials and click Next. Now you are on the Respondus download page. You will need to keep this page open so you can enter the installation password once you've downloaded the software. To download, scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate the Download section. The first link, Respondus 4.0, is the software for exam creation. Click the link to download. You will be prompted to enter your UGA MyID and password again. Enter this information and click OK. Now click Save File to save the file on your computer. Locate the file you downloaded. It will be called respondus4campus.exe. Click the file to open it and then click Run. Choose the appropriate setup language and click Next. You will see a message that says, "Welcome to the Install Shield Wizard." Click Next to continue installation. On the License Agreement screen, select I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. Click Next to choose an installation folder and click Next to choose a project folder. Click Install to install Respondus on your computer. If you want to install the Respondus equation editor, click Yes. If not, click No. Once you receive the Install Shield Wizard Complete screen, click Finish to exit the Install Shield Wizard. To open Respondus, go to your Start menu and type Respondus in the search bar. You should see Respondus 4.0 campus-wide. Click the icon to open Respondus. The first screen will prompt you to enter institution name, support contacts, and installation password. This information is located on the website where you downloaded the software. Locate the information and copy and paste it into the appropriate fields. Click License. On the Respondus newsletter screen, you can click to sign up for the e-newsletter or click Close to skip this. Next, pick the CMS personality. Click the drop-down menu and select Desire to Learn. Click OK. You have successfully installed Respondus on your computer.